Hey sellers, welcome to this video. Today is a sourcing day, hitting the Goodwill bins, and then later on in this video, I'm going to share an exciting announcement with you. Stay tuned. Today is going to be an action-packed, exciting Monday. I'm super pumped to take you along with me. The plan for today is to hit the gym here now, about to walk in. And then after the gym, I'm headed over to the Goodwill outlets, the bins, a couple cities over from where I live, and going to source there. Super excited about this. Can't wait to take you along. We are going to absolutely crush it today with sourcing. Really quick, I'm going to let you know that towards the end of this video, I'm going to be talking about my 40-day shift challenge. Basically, 40 days that I'm taking to really dedicate time, effort, energy, and dedication to making some shifts in my mindset, in my business, in my life, in my health, in order to move the needle and see how far I can go in 40 days. So with that being said, let's get going. We're gonna jump into the gym, get some workout done, then get sourcing and listing and doing all the things that we resellers do on that daily basis. Let's go. All right, just finished at the gym, absolutely destroyed myself, moved some weight, and feeling super accomplished in that. So now it's on to the Goodwill bins. We are going to get there. They opened about 45 minutes ago. It is a 35-minute drive, so we're not too late in the game. There will still be some good stuff there. There's always good stuff there if you know where to look. Let's jump to that. Here we go. All right, guys, we are here at the spot. We're at Goodwill, the Goodwill bins, Goodwill outlet, whatever you want to call it. We're here. I want to film here. However, I have this camera with the mic on top and the tripod. Not sure I'm going to get away with that. I've tried filming in here before, and I have not gotten away with it. I've actually gotten in trouble. Not in trouble. They told me to stop filming. So I'm going to try using my phone. I'm going to put my phone in my arm strap and try to film that way. We'll see if I get away with it. I'm going super inconspicuous, super incognito. Let's see what we get. All right, guys, we are back. Spent some time at the Goodwill bins, the outlet today. Spent 2 hours, got some stuff, got some shoes, got a little bit of clothing, and I'm gonna show you what we got here in just 1 second. First off, though, I wanna show you this hat. I bought this hat last week, a few days ago. I listed it today. I paid $1.50 for that hat. I listed it today for $19.77 plus shipping. It's less than £1, so first class shipping, and it sold within 10 minutes. I don't think I priced it too low. I think it's just a desirable hat. It is a vintage, I would say maybe like 90s Carolina Panthers, and it's an official NFL Pro Line hat. I paid $1.50 and sold it for $19.77. So a really good flip when you talk about return on investment. Normally, I like to see stuff that is over $25. Net profit is really where I want to be. That's like the arena I want to be playing in. However, for something like this, that is a quick win. Definitely worth the time, the few minutes, honestly, to make the money. Here is what we got today at the Goodwill outlet. I'm gonna go through this entire bag and show you everything that's here. We did get 11 or 12 pairs of shoes, a jacket, some pants, couple shirts. In total, we spent $55.75, and I believe that will return us potential profit is around the $300 to $350 mark, probably $325 to be totally accurate for potential profit. Remember, It's not profit until it's in the bank. That being said, let's go through and check out what we got. Before we start that, actually, if you're not familiar with how the Goodwill outlet prices things, shoes, adult shoes are $3, kids shoes are $2, and then any kind of textiles or clothing is all by the pound. I want to say it's like $1.35 per pound, and mine was 2 or 3 pounds, something like that. Maybe not even that much. First thing is this U.S. Air Force flag. It's maybe 50 inches or so. U.S. Air Force flag for your house. I can't even put the whole thing on the screen. It weighs literally nothing, so I'm going to say that this was maybe, I don't know, 5 cents. It's selling for like $7 or $8 on eBay. The only reason I got that is because I feel like it'll be a fast flip. It will be, it's worth investment, sort of like this thing, right? $5 to $8, and I paid virtually nothing for it. The next thing, and I'm going to show you clothing first, then we'll get into shoes. The next thing is this Ezekiel snap shirt with the lined hood on it. I really like this for myself. It doesn't weigh very much, maybe 50 cents for that. I just threw that in my basket because I liked it, and then I thought, well, I'll check it out, see what it is selling for, potentially sell it, potentially keep it, not sure yet. Got this Jones, New York women's rain jacket. I do not normally sell Jones, New York items. However, when you're buying things for 50 cents to maybe $1, this is about a pound. It's pretty heavy duty, I feel. So maybe like $1.50. These are selling for 18 to 20 bucks. So worth it. These I was super excited about finding. These are women's, obviously, White House Black Market jeans. They are the Blanc line. They're size 8 regular and excellent condition. These are selling $25 to $28 for the Blanc, B-L-A-N-C, size 8 regular. Literally no like wear on the bottom. That's one thing you want to look for when you're looking at jeans is any kind of fraying at the bottom here. Make sure there is none, or if there is, make sure it's worth selling, right? Those are perfect. So I'm excited about that. The winning item of the day as far as shirts goes is this Go Barefoot Hawaiian shirt made in the USA. These, I paid maybe 50 cents for this, maybe. It's pretty lightweight. And these are going for anywhere from $28 to $35. I posted a screenshot of the sold comps on my Instagram story. Very excited about this. A super good find. Then getting to the shoes. Oh, back up one. This. I'm calling this, I don't know if I want to call this vintage. I don't know. It couldn't have cost more than 50 or 60 cents based on the weight. It's a Minnie Mouse pom-pom winter hat. Yes. So it's a little bit dirty. I'm going to throw it in the washer and let it wash. You have to make sure my daughter doesn't see it because my 5-year-old daughter will absolutely claim this. Pretty cool. Disney stuff typically does pretty well for me. And yeah, cool colors. Not going to call it vintage. I don't think it's that old. The embroidery or the embroidery on it is too new. We've got some. These are pretty beat up. However, I got them for $3. And so I'm going to clean them and sell them for a discounted price. They are CCM Mustang ice skates, men's hockey skates. So you can see how like there's this patina that has rubbed off. Sort of that coating that goes there has rubbed off. The blades are in good condition and they actually came with blade guards. So we'll sell these at a discount, but they're worth it at only $3 for the set. Shoes. We've got some Asics. These I got from the not Goodwill outlet side. I got these from the regular Goodwill side. So they are gel cumulus 18s selling for $25, $30 on eBay. Really good condition. The soles, aside from being dirty, the soles are really good. They got some junk in there. Yeah, good condition. I paid $5. So that's the only pair that we paid more than $3 for. These shoes, red Vans. If you're not familiar, Vans for the past year or so have been super hot, especially this particular style. And so got these. These are youth, so we paid $2 for them. The soles look really good. They're not worn down. We'll clean the laces and scrub them down, sell them. 20 bucks. I got these little ones. Considering giving these to my 3-year-old. I have a pair of red Vans, and I know he would love to have these, and they're his size. We'd have to clean them. If not, we'll just flip them on eBay for, I don't know, 12 or 15 bucks. Got these Nikes. They're youth size. Paid $2 for these. Not bad. All right, these Adidas. Good condition, Climacool, running shoes. Typical run-of-the-mill running shoe, yeah. Converse All-Star, Chuck Taylors. Kind of a cool design on them. They're dirty. They've got to be cleaned. Not bad, though. Kind of like a floral, pixelated print. Pretty cool. We've got some filthy Asics. What are these? They are, I'll tell you. Maybe I won't tell you. I don't even know. They're Asics. Probably some kind of gel cumulus. They're Asics Gel Duo Max. I don't know. I've never heard of them. But I paid $3. I'll clean them and sell them. Clean them and sell them. Clean them and sell them. I've sold these before. These are Gel Cayanos. I paid $3. Run-of-the-mill Asics. Sell them for $25. Here we go with another pair. I've sold numerous pairs of this exact model. In fact, a lot of you out there have probably sold one of these pairs. It's one of Asics. I feel like it's one of Asics' most popular pairs of shoes to sell. This particular colorway, it's a Gel Cumulus 16 Fluid Ride. I think I've sold 3 or 4 of these exact colorway of this exact shoe. Dirty, but money. A pair of very good Converse low top. Let's see what size these are. Men's 6, women's 8. Cool. Black and white. Classic. Another pair of Asics Gel Cumulus 14s. Never sold this particular colorway. They are very dirty, but the soles are in great condition. They have a lot of rocks in them. Great condition for being at the BINS. Yeah. Not bad. And then finally, last pair are these Nikes. These are Nike Zoom. What are they? Nike Zoom Training. I don't know. They're like your average running Nike shoe. I paid $3. I'll probably sell them 20 bucks. Like, plus shipping. Lately, I've been experimenting with all additional shipping charges to protect my profits. And it's going fairly well. I've noticed a slight decrease in sales, and I think that's because people are more enticed whenever they get free shipping. It does something to our brains to where, hey, we're getting something for free. However, as we see with this hat today, I charged extra shipping on that, 20 bucks plus shipping, and the guy bought it within a few minutes. So charge extra shipping, play around with it, see how it does for you. I had a lot of fun out at the Goodwill BINS. I don't shop there enough. I feel like I need to get out there more often. It's a 35-minute drive for me, and so that's probably the reason I don't go out there as often as I should. Hey, really quick, on Instagram, I posted something today, and I wanted to talk about it for just a minute. I'm doing this 40-day challenge called the 40-Day Shift Challenge. Shift meaning like a life shift or mindset shift. And so I posted this little infographic here. I will show you right there of the things that I'm doing for 40 days straight, starting today, February 24th, all the way through April 3rd. I'm going to read them off to you. Wake up 5 a.m. every day. Read 5 pages per day. It can be anything you want to read. Just read. Pray boldly every day. 1 gallon of water per day. No sugary sodas. Gym 5 times per week, once Monday through Friday. So 1 time per day, 5 days a week. Affirmations 5 times per day. I do mine at 6 a.m., 9 a.m., 12 p.m., 3 p.m., and 6 p.m. List 10 items per day. This would be to eBay and Poshmark is what I'm focusing on, but it could be anything that you wanted, anywhere you want to list your 10 items. Upload to YouTube once per day. This is the hardest one, bar none. Absolutely the hardest one for me, but I am determined to do this. Post to Instagram one time per day, and then live with determination, relentlessness, and dedicated focus every single day. Shift your mindset, shift your life. Hey, listen, if you are not where you want to be in life, whether that be with yourself, your health, your mind, your relationships, your business, whatever it might be, you are responsible for making the change. You're responsible for making that shift. I saw something today. I'm going to read it really quick where it says, it's 2020. No one can stop you from starting a business, stop you from buying property, stop you from saving money, stop you from buying stocks, or stop you from getting the information to do all of those things. If you're not doing those things, it's because of you. Stop pointing fingers. And I added to that, the blame game is dead. You can't blame anybody. You can't blame the rich. You can't blame the poor. You can't blame the president or past presidents or future presidents, or you can't blame your team losing. Like, you can't blame anything. It falls on you. So you have to make that change. I have to make that change. I am not where I want to be, right? I am not at the level. I'm not operating at the level that I want to operate on. I know it comes down to me making that mindset shift. That's where 40 days comes in. Within 40 days, you can build habits. Along with that, I don't expect to be winning on every single one of these 12 items every single day. There's going to be some days where I fail, and that's okay. At the same time, I'm not beating myself up, but I'm also understanding that there's always room for improvement. And as we go forward, every single day that goes by, I should see some improvement in me in regards to reaching these different levels and accomplishing these 12 things. Today, I'm about halfway through the list, and it's later in the afternoon. Hey, I'm going to keep going at it. May not make it all today, but I'm going to do it tomorrow. And then by the end of the 40 days, I should see much more consistency between doing all of those 12 things versus the beginning of the challenge, doing all of those 12 things. Hey, the blame game is dead. Stop blaming people, take responsibility for your life, and get on it. Let me know in the comments if this is something that you are interested in doing. A bunch of people on my Instagram messaged me and they were like, hey, they added in the comments of this post, they were like, hey, I'm totally on board with this. I didn't even present the challenge to anyone. I just said, hey, this is what I'm doing. And 10 or 12 people jumped in and said, I'm doing this too. Let's be accountable to each other. Let's move the needle. Let's change our life. You do that by changing your mindset. I hope you guys got value out of this video. If you did, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you're not already subscribed, consider doing that. We're bringing one video per day for 40 days, come hell or high water, rain or shine. I hope you guys got value out of this. And with that being said, guys, keep selling, get the bag. I'll see you on the next video.